I got Pirellis on the BRZ, so I feel like I'm, in the know. Sorry?
Also.
Oh, hello! How are you?
Thanks.
That's too funny.
Okay, we can't find the boats, we can't find the swing. And let's carry on.
I won't.
Not the swimming tree. That is too funny. Small world. It's one of my followers. I don't know. What shape do you guys like? Do you like the Bentley or do you like the Rolls Royce? There's something about a Rolls Royce, right? Yeah, but we saw one the other day and I was like, damn. There's something about a Rolls Royce. I don't know.
So what do you do for a living?
I was truck unit.
The red Rolls?
I was a furniture manufacturer on Colston and Water. Yeah.
Very nice.
So what do you do now? Man of leisure.
Yeah, no, I sort of work hard at home, and I've got 2 Airbnbs which I want to take my
Look at that. It's got the screens.
cleaning, maintaining, planting trees, growing things, mowing them.
Did you want to
Okay, we'll go up the side and down and around. MGs. You like the red one? You like the red Bentley?
It's super hot on that.
Okay,
And that all our tastes here.
what are we thinking about MG going into these things? Thoughts on the grill?
Or the Ram. The Ram's got something.
What do we think? What do we think, guys?
It looks cheap.
I don't know. I don't know if I'm a fan. I mean, I like the step. I like the fact that it opens all the way up. Go back.